You can't get across. I've been trying. Trust me.
I'll try to fly across. I guess I can float, but I can't fly.
Like I said, hopeless.
Wait, I know that voice.
Wait, Jordan? Maya? Is that you? I didn't even recognize you in these outfits. Wait, why did you guys get capes? Capes were my thing. So not fair.
But how are you here?
I was eating my pizza, and this portal appeared and sucked me in. And well, now I'm here in this sad little world as a sad little toaster. I didn't even get to finish my pizza. Are you gonna tell me what's going on?
Long story short, evil color-stealing tornado called the Drain is stealing color from this world. All the power is gone, except this girl over here, who seems to have nothing but powers. Except, of course, the power we need the most right now. Oh, and the only way to get home is to defeat the Drain, restore the color, and use the power to open some portal.
Oh, cool. What are we doing about it?
Jordan, what are you thinking?
I might have an idea. Maya, with your new powers, do you think you could lift that bus there up onto the bridge?
Oh yeah, to make a bridge. Or I guess a bridge on a bridge. Cool.
That's the idea.
Let's try it. Whoa, it worked!
All right, then let's get going. Come on, Toasty.
Hey, just because you have the cape of my dreams doesn't mean you're the boss around here. Or maybe it does. Oh, okay, I'm coming. I really thought I'd be stuck here and never see you guys roll home again. I'm really glad we're in this too.
Hey, every hero story needs a team, right? We'd be lost without Gage back there, who told us about the Drain and where to go. Remember back home in our story brainstorm? Every story needs a hero guide. Well, we had our guide, and now you have yours.
So we continue on this path, then find the Chromatic Valley.
Something in my little drone brain is beeping at me saying, alert, alert. That could be either really good or really bad, right?
Probably in this case, bad.
Well, the Drain hasn't encountered us yet. Come on, we're a team now, right? Like a brave hero once said, the only way out is through.
Wait, I said that.
Exactly. Let's do this. I think we found the Drain.
Why is it coming after us?
Our color. I think it wants to take it. Some hero I am. I can't even help my friends. I have no powers. I'm no good to anyone.
You're right. Look at you trapped in the dark. And for what? A city you barely know. A girl who's currently being erased. And a boy who's nothing but a floating piece of scrap metal.
They aren't just scrap or a girl. They are my friends. And maybe I barely know the people in the city, but they still matter. That's the one thing you don't have in this empty void. You're alone. You're nothing but a vacuum, just taking the color from everything good in this world. I have to try. For them.
What are you doing? Stop. It can't be.
Do you know what darkness is?
A powerful force.
No, it's not. It's simply the absence of light.
You may have found the light, but you're just missing one thing, Nero. The sacrifice. You have to be willing to give it up. That's the one thing no one will ever do. All these heroes think they can defeat me, but when it comes down to it, they aren't willing to give up their power, their color, to save someone else. Look, I've made this easy for you. Here's a way out. All you have to do is come through here, and you'll be back home. Save yourself and go.
You must not know me too well.